Visit app.seesaw.me to get to the login screen for Seesaw. Choose I'm a teacher and log in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, choose the class that you are working on. Once you are in your class, click on the green Add button and assign activity. When assigning an activity to students, you can create your own activity, or you can find one from the community or school and district library. To create a new activity, click Create New Activity. Give your activity a meaningful name so that students can find it easily. I'm going to call mine Math Patterns Around the House. Then add your instructions for students to follow to complete the activity. You can type your instructions as well as add voice instructions, multimedia instructions, or an example. Voice instruction allows me to use my microphone to read my instruction. Multimedia instruction gives me additional options. We will look at more of these options in a different tutorial. After I've added my instructions and/or an example, I can add a template for students, such as a PDF, that they can use to respond with. I can also leave this section blank, and students will be able to use any of the multimedia tools to respond. Click Save to save your activity. I can now assign this activity by clicking on Assign. I can assign this to multiple classes or just to one class. I can also assign it to all of my students or individual students, set a folder, or add a skill. I can also schedule this activity to go out at a later date. So if I would like this activity to go out on Friday, I can assign it for Friday at 8 a.m. I'll click the green check to save my scheduling, and now I can click Assign on April 3rd, 2020. I can also search the community or my school and district library to find activities that I would want to use in my class. I'm going to find an activity that I like, and same thing, I can click on Assign, pick my class, edit my students and folders, schedule it for later, or assign it directly to my class now. I can go back to my class and go to my activities, and I can view under ones that are currently assigned, activities that are scheduled, and if I ever archive an old activity, it will show up under Archived.